He said, nope.
Here, jump in, we'll take you out there.
He says it's too cold for that
Like,
shit.
you go get it.
I know, I should have eaten gummy too.
Oh shit!
Get it?
No?
There you go. We can take that dog duck hunting. We can take that dog duck hunting.
I don't, you know, he's only good for getting a stick, and you can't get it from him. I can just imagine trying to get a duck from him, you know? He'd probably eat it before I get it.
Right, right.
He'll tear that stick up. That stick was this long to begin with. He'll shoot it down to that. Good boy. Good boy. And he won't give it to me.